wisdom.
Esi jeje.
It takes wisdom to secure a kingdom.
Ehia asi jeje ne akochochoba no fia do priasi.
He said, by wisdom, king reigns,
Ebe to si jeje me afiodu na fia.
and princes decree
Eye
justice.
fia o so na nyama.
So it takes wisdom to reign.
Ehia si jeje na te no fia si pia.
It takes wisdom to rule.
Ehia si jeje na do fia.
It takes wisdom to have dominion.
Ehia si jeje na do ache papa.
We are not just talking of ordinary wisdom.
Même le pombo so esi jeje ponti o.
We are not talking of wisdom of men.
Menya magbe toba si jeje o.
We are not talking of occultic, diabolical wisdom.
Même le pompo so set makolo papa vuamba si jeje o.
We are not talking of sensual wisdom.
Mais le pompo so mia pa nu nyamba si jeje nti o.
We are talking of divine wisdom.
Mais le pompo so mau pa si jeje.
The wisdom that is from above.
Ke choji ponu toma.
And the Bible speaking,
Bible an popo.
he said, the one that is from above is above all.
E ke so dila ala tana.
It's not every wisdom that works.
Manya si jeje de siada e wana do.
If they work for a while and they fail,
Ela o do na yi de okpo ebo.
you go to herbalist.
Ela bo kono bo.
He can give you juju.
Ela te no bo.
But juju will expire.
E bo ala ku.
You can pull men down
Ela te zia mo ne.
for you to climb up.
A be nyama eti.
But one day,
Bereka.
the truth will come out.
Nya te pela ba.
You will go down.
Eba o chon la ito.
You can use common sense
Ela te zan susu.
to get things done.
Aso ko nu.
But one day,
Wa bereka.
you may discover that you need uncommon sense to get uncommon results.
E fio bo la ba hinya susu vi suare ko aso ko don ti ma ho.
But the wisdom of God
Ma o pa si jeje.
is what gives you uncommon success.
Eye la no nu jeji na ma ko me kan ji o.
He said, oh Lord, how manifold are thy works.
Abade ke do wo nya popo ala gbegbe.
In wisdom,
Le si jeje ma.
thou hast made them all.
Wo o kata.
And the earth is full of thy riches.
Eye anyigba la do ple wo ti popo son wo.
Most of the times when we look at the creations,
Zegere ne mi ponu wo ya.
the stars,
Me pa wo
the moon,
me pa wo tri.
the sea,
Me pa pu.
the oceans,
Me pa pu.
the mountains,
Me pa to.
what comes to our mind is that, wow, this God is powerful.
Nu ke vana me be su ma be ma wo ya nu san le
He
si.
made all things by his power.
E wo nu sia nu topa nu sama.
But the Bible is telling us otherwise.
Wa Bible le gblo nu bu na mi.
He said it's not the power,
Manya nu sia yo.
it's the wisdom.
E be si jeje.
So anything God made,
Nu sia nu ke ma wo
he
a.
made them by wisdom.
E wo to si jeje.
Everything God
Nu
created,
sia nu ke ma wo a.
he created them by wisdom.
E wo to si jeje
So
ma.
if anything will be made in your life,
Ne nu sia la va ma le ni ko ba
if
gbeme.
anything will be created in your life,
No la onara le mi ba gbeme ya.
you will need wisdom.
Me hia si jeje.
Why?
Nu kenti o.
He said, wisdom shall be the stability of your time.
Ebe si jeje la nye kan li na o le yi o ma.
That is to say,
Agbon ko be.
if your life must be stable,
Na gbo la like.
not that today you are up, tomorrow you are down.
E so la nyingba.
If your life must be continuously progressive,
Na gbo la no ye ji la yin ko a.
he said you need wisdom.
Ebo hia si jeje.
That when wisdom is missing,
Ne si jeje me le o.
your life begins to go up and down.
Agbo no je no ba gome.
Proverbs chapter 4 verse 18.
Et Proverbe 4 verset
The
18.
path of the just
Eba ma jo pe mo.
is as the shining light
E no se kere ke clan la.
that shines brighter
Clan pe.
and brighter and brighter to that perfect day.
Kaka ba la debele.
So as far as God is
Le
concerned,
mawe ba kwa dia.
each day of your life
Be si agbe na yen ko ba
should
gbe.
be a plus on the previous.
E do la yin bo la so pe.
Whether in your finance,
Le o ga ba
in
yin
your health, in your marriage, in your business.
Le wa jo me o.
But it's only obtainable
O la te ho kere ko ne be.
by the wisdom of
To mo
God.
be si jeje.
He said wisdom is better than weapons of war.
E be si jeje enyo ahwa wonu.
Why?
No kenti o.
When wisdom is in place,
Ne si jeje le.
there will be no war in the first place.
Ahwa ke ma wa na nyo.
It's the absence of wisdom
Ne si jeje me le o.
that brings war.
E han ahwa ba
So
na.
he said wisdom
Aba si jeje.
is better than any weapon of war.
Enyo mi ado ahwa wonu.
He didn't stop there.
E to tere de pe o.
He said wisdom uproots the mountains by the root.
Ebe na re e si jeje e hon na to akple ke.
And it's when wisdom is at work,
Ne si jeje le to wa.
every mountain is swallowed up.
E to de se do mi.
What is wisdom?
No kan si jeje o.
We said wisdom
E be si jeje a.
is knowing what to do
Anya nu ko la o.
and doing it.
E ya we.
Knowing what to say
Anya nya ko la gblo.
and saying it.
E ya gblen.
Knowing where to go
anya fi ko la yi
and going there.
e ya yi
That is the simplest way you can define
de ko
wisdom.
la tête de si jeje gɔmɛ o
So which means
e gɔmɛ ko we
there are no problem anywhere.
kuhire kema la fi de ke o
It is just because people don't know what to do.
ela be zegere mi mu nyanu kemi awɔ yi na
There is no money problem.
e gabe kuhire ke
We only have doing problem.
mi do gabe kuhire ke o
What do I need to do
nu ke ma
to
wɔ
become rich?
na e ti kɔkɔ
Is
ne
what
so
people don't know.
e wɔn mi mu
There
nyanu
is no marital problem.
e sɔrɔ de be kuhire ke
The
ma fi
problem is that the man does not know what to do
e kuhire be nu so nyanu
to
kebela o
calm the wife.
bana be nyɔnu aba
The
jɛ
wife also does not know what to do
nyɔnu a caman nyanu kebela o
to calm the husband.
ne nu so aba di de me o
So there are no problem anywhere.
kuhire kema la fi de ke
Anywhere you see problem,
fi se fi ko kpɔ kuhire ya
it is wisdom problem.
e fi ɔbɛ si jeje be kuhire
Knowing what to do is just one step.
anya nkɔla wɔ nya fɔrika
It's one leg.
afɔrika
Doing it
awɛ
is the other leg.
enya fɔfi
You
gɔ
need the two.
ohia vɛya
If not, it won't work.
e wɔ ma n'o ye ma zɔn
Wisdom
si jeje
is right application of scriptural prescriptions to life's complex situations.
hallelujah ebe na de asɔ enu ŋɔŋlɔ a sɔ do dɔ me wade ko la se o la se nyuɛ le nɔnɔmɛ nyuɛ ma le yi nyuɛ ma ye asɔ kpankɔ agbeaba ya popo kele poa
Finding simple scriptural solution to life's complex situations.
asɔ agbe asɔ nu ŋɔŋlɔ asɔ kpankɔ agbeaba nɔnɔmɛ sɛnsɛn nu ŋɔŋlɔ kpoe nu ŋɔŋlɔ la se kpoe voye o hiã la sɔ dɔdɔ do ne agbeaba ya sɛnsɛn kele poa
Most of the time,
zegerea
we used to think big problem will require big solution.
me buna be kuhi gan ehia do nti gan
Most times it's not like that.
zegerea ma la nene
Sometimes you hear they say somebody is dying, oh,
garbo me ale kulo
he wants to die.
eda kulo
And the doctor comes
dókítà lava
and he gives little tablets.
ela so atike vi suare ko ne
As he swallows it
kebe mi
and drink water,
ebe nu sireji
the man who is about to die
abel mo yibe akulo
just begin to breathe well.
e vola kwala to gbogbo
Simple tablet
ebe atike vi tuku
to a
suare
complex situation
so ne no sensen
that will have resulted in death.
eye ke le ikume
Every crossroad of your life,
agbo be tata de sia de
heaven will breathe upon your mind
awla pua ya de susu me no
and show you simple solution to your complex
ela so do
situations.
nti vi tuku sua so fian o e o la so do no me gan